Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at how to add stars to your emails in your Gmail account if you want to do it for multiple emails at the same time. So let's say you want to add for all of these messages, you want to add the star. You have the option to do it one by one, or what you can do is select all. For here, you click on this tick box, select all. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come all the way to the right where it says more, click on that. And then what you can do is you can add star. So what happens now is that these 50 conversations that you have, emails, are all now have a star next to it. So if you can go to your star section on Gmail, this is how you add stars to multiple messages. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you like the video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We'll answer all of our comments that be left behind. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.